At my age, I am anti-selfie stick man. And yet here I am running with a selfie stick because I want to show you this running belt by WaterFly. It's pretty good. So I'm running with it on the front right now, although normally I'll use it on the back. There is no bouncing. Can you see that? This thing is so set in place. All right, let me hit some of the highlights for you. It is really comfortable. Like here in a minute, I'll take the shirt off, not so you can see anything impressive, but just the shirt will be off, and it just feels really nice. But the zippers, 3 zippers, a lot of room. I've got my, well, I'll show you what I got in there in a minute. But it's phone, it's key, it's a stinger pack. It's oh, there's something else in there. My headphones probably. Anyway, it fits a lot of stuff, and I got tons more room. Best part is though, when I'm running, wear it on the back, shirt or no shirt, and it is just super comfortable. Like it's on the hip, it's riding on there with no bounce, and just makes the run enjoyable. But you got all your stuff with you, so it's really a safety thing and also a convenience and comfortable thing. So anyway, this is from WaterFly. Very impressed. A lot of room. What can I tell you? Oh, the adjustability. Really skinny people, like 27 inches, can wear it. And really fat people, 48 inches can wear it. And I'm somewhere in between at about 33, 34. So lots of room. And you can even adjust it on the fly because you just grab the buckle on one side with your left arm, one side with your right arm. And you can adjust it, loosen it, tighten it, all that. As far as cleanup, that's one of the best parts too. You just, I just dump it in the pool, or jump in the pool with it after I'm done running, or just rinse it with your water hose. It's really easy to clean. I like it a lot. Anyway, I think the company must have seen my review on another product, like a runner's vest. So they reached out and asked me if I would do this one, and I was happy to do it. So this is my review. I like it. And at the end here, I'll take it off and show you what I put inside. Thanks, it's good. So, case in point, it's really comfortable even with your shirt off, just right up against the skin. It's quite nice. And also, I threw the shirt into the bag. There's just lots of room. All right, I'm gonna head back home and then I will unpack it for you. Again, this is a really great bag. I think you'll like it. And it's affordable too, really good. All right, as promised, let's unpack this and let's hit a few more highlights. This reflector stuff is nice, especially when you're running at night and especially when you're running with it on your back and you know the cars are seeing you before you see them. Let's see what I got in here. All right, as I said earlier, I got the whole t-shirt stuffed in there. The only other thing I had in here was a key, the front door, and my stinger pack. Didn't have to use that today. Phone, although this is just a case because I was using my phone, but I wanted to show you that it could fit a phone. And it can fit any size phone, by the way. And what else do I have? Oh yeah, because I was filming, I still had my microphone and my receiver. And then of course, the AirPods. So it fits a lot, and I could have fit a whole lot more in there, but didn't need to. You could probably put a small water bottle in there, or even a regular sized water bottle in there. Just a great pack. Look at the lining. It's just a really quality piece. Again, this is affordable, but it's really nice. Like for instance, every zipper is like labeled. It says WaterFly on there. The zippers are the type of zippers that you can like zip over and over and over, especially when you're on a run. You don't want it to like get caught up in the fabric and you know you're stuck. It just really nicely zips and unzips. Also, if you do have wired headphones, you can poke them through there. I never use those anymore, but it's nice to know that that is there. And then probably the last thing I did mention briefly, but probably need to highlight, is the buckle is really sturdy. It's just a solid, well-constructed buckle. And this is what I was talking about when you want to resize it. You just go like that and you made it tighter or looser, whatever you want. But like, it's just real quick on the fly. So I like it. This is from WaterFly, really quality build. Even the stitching, I mean, if you want to get in there, I mean, look at the stitching patterns. I mean, they've gone above and beyond. Really impressive. So anyway, I like it. And I hope that helps you.